In this video, we're going to learn how to add audio and adjust volume, which is extremely important for professional looking videos. Let's start by adding audio. First, import your music or voiceover into the project panel. Now drag the audio file from the project panel onto the timeline, placing it on an available audio track like A2 or A3. Once the audio is on the timeline, you'll see a waveform. This waveform visually represents the sound levels. Now, let's adjust the volume. There are two main ways to do this. Method 1. Adjust directly on the timeline. Look at the horizontal line running through the middle of the audio clip. This is the volume level line. Click and drag this line up to increase volume or down to decrease volume. This is the fastest way to adjust audio levels. Method 2. Using the Properties panel, select the audio clip, then go to the Properties panel on the right side. Here you'll see the volume control in decibels. You can manually increase or decrease the value for more precise adjustments. If you want to completely silence a clip, you can reduce the volume significantly or simply mute the track from the available checkbox. And that's it. You now know how to add audio, adjust volume, and control sound levels in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials in this course.